Hello people, everyone. Everyone's well, having a fantastic day today. I've got a couple of rashers of bacon, got a couple of eggs, I've got a couple of paninis, and I've got some Kerrygold as well. And I'll probably chuck, because what else, why wouldn't I do it? Got some jalapenos, still got a bit of corned beef. Bit of corned beef, there you go, up the right way. So yeah, I'm gonna cook the eggs and the bacon in the pan, and the panini, I'm probably just gonna butter it, chuck that in the air fryer as well, just to crisp it up. I might even put it in the pan, to be fair. Okay, right, I'm gonna chuck something in the pan. So, hope everyone's having a great day today. Couple of rashers of bacon in there. Two of them. Do you know what? I might even chuck corned beef in there for a change. See how that works out for me. Couple of bits of corned beef. Hopefully it don't turn to mush. I might just be able to cook that in the bacon fat. Do you know what? I might even have a bit of cheese somewhere. That's the bacon cooking. Corned beef's cooking. Bit of light as well. And one of them. Just got on a real low heat cooking. I'll crank it up a little bit. There we go. So the panini, I'm just going to cut that and butter it. So it looks like ciabatta bread, doesn't it, really? All the pockets in it. Well, it's already starting to fall apart. Probably why it's best to cook it in the air fryer. But on this occasion, so with a panini, I'm just going to chuck some jalapenos on there. George about chucking it in the air fryer, because it doesn't make me cough. Chuck some cheese on there. Chuck a bit of cheese on that one as well. Use it up. Just use that up. And I'm just going to chuck that in the air fryer for about 5 minutes. Look at that. So I'm just going to chuck a couple of eggs in there. See that, can you? Some bacon coming on. I'm making a roll, miss this, isn't I? Wait till I flip this egg over. If I can. There we go. That's just about done. Just need that panini out. It's nearly melted. Crank that up for a minute. Corned beef, cook it in the air fryer because it don't fall apart. Cook it in a frying pan, and I'd say you've got a mess. How's that looking now? Oh, look at that, it's just runny. Still a bit runny in there, lovely. That will do me. Right, let's get you over there. So, paninis with the jalapenos. There's one. Oh, that was going to be a pain. There we go. And that just leaves one, two, three. Get on there. 4. Bit of bacon in the middle. Bit of bacon there. Sorted. With a melted cheese. Let's see if I can. Bacon, egg, corned beef. I can't think what they're called. Jalapenos. Jalapeno. Get them confused because one tastes completely different to the other. See if I can cut through it without making too much destruction. So there you go. Quick and easy. And yeah, sorted. Right, I'm going to tuck in. I'll see you people later. Catch you tomorrow or the next one. Bye bye. There you go. Bye. All comes together, doesn't it? The eggs, corned beef, jalapenos. Keep wanting to call it a ciabatta bread, but it's obviously a panini. See you later, people. Bye bye.